How to change profile picture on Facebook without posting. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Here, simply tap on your profile name and it will lead you to the profile section. Now tap on the profile icon, or rather the camera icon over here below the profile picture, and as you tap on it you can simply select pictures from your own gallery as well. So I'm going to select a particular one. As you tap on it, what you can simply do is you can make the necessary edits by cropping or adding any sort of frames, but I'm going to keep it like it. And simply here at the bottom you can see the option of share your updates to newsfeed. So it has been toggled on, so if you share it or if you save it, then it will be posted on Facebook. But if you do not want it to be posted but changed for the profile picture, toggle off the option. Then tap on save, and as you tap on save, you just have to wait a few seconds to get it uploaded on your Facebook profile. So let's wait for a few more seconds, and now you can just refresh the page over here. So let's refresh, and when we go for our post, you can see there are no posts over here. So that's how you can change profile picture on Facebook without posting. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.